My mother's side of the family is Italian, so our biggest tradition is every Christmas Eve we celebrate the holidays with the seven fishes. So um, anything with shrimp, lobster, we have a great time for Christmas, and that is probably one of my favorite traditions is just having, even if I may not eat all the fish, I just have a great time surrounded by my family.
Well, my favorite type of food is Italian. Doesn't have to be anything specific. Not sure why. I'm not Italian myself at all, but I like the red sauce, the meat, and the cheese.
My favorite food at the holidays is baked macaroni and cheese because it's my grandmother's recipe and it's a great way to keep her with us during the holidays.
My favorite food at the holiday is my sister-in-law's pepperoni bread. It's something I usually don't have throughout the year, and it's something I look forward to eating on Christmas Eve.
So my family does the seven fishes tradition on Christmas Eve. It's an Italian tradition, and my favorite is it's a squid soup in a tomato base, so like a tomato soup. I love it because it's delicious, and it was one of the things my grandma used to make every year.
So I'm looking forward to mac and cheese for the holidays. It's delicious. It's got to have that burnt crust with the cheese on it, and my mom or my aunt makes it, so I'm looking forward to that.
My favorite food for the holiday season is Christmas cookies, although I should not be eating them.